Good morning, guys. This is a video I make about if you are a Eurail pass holder and you want to traveling in between Belgium to other countries, you can use this website. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use, pretty much free service fee. You just need to pay your reservation fee. Okay, so if let's say you use Eurail.com, you can make this reservation, yes, but on top of your reservation fee, you will have to pay their service fee, which is about $7 per train, and that sucks, okay, because you already pay so much for your ticket. So anyway, this one is mostly for the fastest train from Belgium, which is what they call Thalys, Thalys. So most of them require reservation, and you do better make that reservation before you jump into the train, and hopefully ahead of time, because otherwise most of them that require reservation usually get filled really fast, and you will ruin your itinerary if you don't. So this one, you go to www.belikeaboy-europe.com, and if you want it in English, add /en. Okay, be like a boy dash EUROPE.com/en. They will bring you to this good looking website. Okay, and then punch in where do you want to go, to where, what date, how many people, as usual. It's straightforward, it's in English. And here on top, you see that a little yellow button. I don't know if you can see them. Make sure you can see them here. Plan and book. Click in there. All right, put your cursor there. Don't click. You go all the way down there. Have a choice of what? Here, the second choice. Interrail train passes. Click there. And then you will be brought to this. And then after that, they will bring you to all of this thing. They try to sell you Euro Pass ticket, which you do not buy because you do not want to buy because you already have your Euro Pass. Keep on scroll to the almost to the bottom. It said, you see that? Thalys and Eurostar Pass fare. Here, book your Thalys or Eurostar Pass fare now. That's it. Okay. Once you click in there, it will bring you to another page. Then you fill up all your information: when, where, how, how many passenger, how old are they, and then they will show you the train. So I'll punch some information just to show you. Okay, so I punched pretending I'm going from Brussels to London, and they show me all what is available on that date. Pretty straightforward, very easy to use website. And then you pick which one you want. 30 euros for second class, 38 euros for first class. Yes, it's very pricey. And this is only seat reservation. It's only take about 1 hour from Brussels to London with this fast train called Eurostar. Yes, Eurostar is accepting Eurail pass holder right now, but the train reservation is very pricey. So try not to go back and forth to London, you guys. As we will just be departing, leaving Europe from London. So in that way, we only need this one trip to London. We thought we will be leaving Europe from another place, so we have to go back and forth to using Eurostar, but it's not wise. Well, anyway, it's only 38 euros, sorry, not dollars. Okay, so it's way cheaper. It's pretty a lot of money saved if you have a Euro pass. It's true. Otherwise, this ticket will be outrageous. This is just the reservation of the 1 hour seat on Eurostar, and Eurostar has a limited seat available for Euro pass holder. So you be careful. You better reserve this way ahead of time. I think I want to reserve this tonight because we're leaving. Our flight back to New York is from London. So I want to make sure that I get this seat reservation. Okay, and first class, I think they serve you breakfast if you're leaving before 9 o'clock departure, and probably a nice luxurious first class place. Okay, so then that's the same thing like others. You just pick which one you want, and then book this journey and pay it with your credit card, and done. You are set for those leg of a trip. Okay, and again, you guys, and when you learn about all of this in Google, Some of this website will give you headaches, but this is one of the easiest one. Hopefully this help you, and instead of going to Eurail.com then pay $7 registration fee, this is one of the good website to use. But I found out, instead of booking Eurostar train to London, instead of using this Belgium website, I found out using Eurostar.com is cheaper, a little bit cheaper. So when I want to book my trip from Belgium to London, I would rather to use that website. Okay, I will make another video, look for it, using Eurostar from Brussels to London. Okay guys, hopefully this benefit you and you have a good safe trip. Bye bye.